We have a client that may be able to use the Bommer 7890 in place of a Dorma PT24 top pivot. And I'll show you the catalog in a moment. The Dorma PT24 is a top pivot that's used in a patch fitting. It is, in essence, a piece of hardware that is not unlike the Bommer 7890 in the sense that it's a top pivot. The client has asked a dimensional property that I'm going to verify here, which was the diameter of the pin, but I suspect it'd be nice to know more about it. So the diameter of the pin is 0.432. 0.432. The projection of the pin, 0.632. 0.632. The overall length, 2.122. 2.122. The overall width, 0.875. 0.875. I would say this would take a number 10 flathead screw would be my guess. The ID of that hole is 0.25. 0.25 is the ID of that hole. The door portion is going to have a bushing in it. Historically, that bushing was it was possible to purchase that as a separate product. I doubt at this time we have any in stock because Bomber, by the time you're seeing this video, is either completely out of business or absolutely at the very end of winding down operations. It's going to include 4 screws. They do flathead threaded to the head sheet metal screws. They do appear to be a number 10 by 1 inch, something in that range. And I will do one final value, which was the weight, which is 0.1494. We're going to switch to the screen view. I'm just going to show you some additional resources, and then this video will be concluded. If you are enjoying this video, please click thumbs up or like, and also please consider subscribing to our channel. Let's move on to the rest of the video. Okay, to show you some additional properties, we have some images that are down below. This video is unrelated to this, but nonetheless may be interesting to watch. Pivot assembly for use with horizontal spring hinges. First of all, I had mentioned this is something I'm suggesting against the PT24 from Dorma. Well, a PT24 fits into a patch fitting, as far as I understand, because this is a wood application, a glass application. This will work in a patch fitting, so that's where the client is using this. But you can get the idea that this is not unlike the 7890, which is why I recommended it. You never know. The client may be able to make this work. There's a link below this video, as seen here, to the manufacturer's page. When you click on that, you'll be able to pull up what's left, by the time you're seeing this, all the Bommer products we have available by this horizontal navigation here. But a link to the product catalog, and if you wanted to see where else the 7890 was used, you'll be able to do a Control F or find function on your keyboard. And indeed, it's for the 7800 series horizontal spring pivots, a design that goes back to the 19th century and has been used in residential and commercial applications. Residential between the kitchen and the dining room, countless untold times that 7890's been used. And here it is in the catalog. There you go. If you have any questions on the 7890 or any other Bommer product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you. Again, thank you for watching, and if you've enjoyed this video, please click thumbs up. Please subscribe and maybe even send the video to someone that you know. Thank you.